want us or cite them, go posted them out.
Okay.
Concerning the tape.
What
so about 3 or 4 days of it, another man started saying anything concerning saga. He closed the saga. He doesn't want to do any saga again. Anything like saga, we have to unify. That there is no need of doing saga. That he will not more saga anybody again. Immediately he said it. That was the what he was saying. Then the one that called himself Emmanuel said, "No more saga. We have to unify." So I started wondering, what make these people? How can they deal with that saga?
Why they started
around with that saga?
Why they started?
So after 2 days of it,
why they started telling Biafrans that they have stopped saga, they want to obey all that, this and that. They were still weighing the reaction of people. By the time they will do what you understand, by the time they will do this thing they have done.
Yes.
They were still weighing the thought. They were still weighing it. Is this something that you can manage? How is people will react to this? Please let us just say, okay, we are about to fall back. Please, people should not insult us. So don't insult us. So these are not the that is broadcasting now. They have broadcast yesterday. She off the comment section. Because you don't want anybody to you understand. So we know all those things, and coming back now to act as if you are a strong woman is laughable. It's laughable. So thank you, my brother. Thank you so much.
Okay, but let me let people call. They're just funny. It's a pity.
Honestly. Anyway, the line is still on. There's something someone called. Just a moment.
That no fools voted into power. That is never hungry for any position. That is what the Prime Minister said. He said if you love him, you should listen to his word. Don't listen to what people said. And he said if anybody is doubting what I am telling you now, you should call that woman that Ogechukwu came brought to platform to tell him to ask that woman, that lawyer that Ogechukwu and the son brought to their platform. Hello? To ask question. That finished lawyer.
Yeah, please can you just hang on? Let us hear the message from Ogo 247. Yeah.
So the message is legit, and the message is what everybody know already. He ever said, if you love him, if you respect him, if you want Biafra, you should keep to his message and the command. And then, PM said also that these people that are sending messages to the men on ground should also tell the men on ground his stand, that he has not withdrawn his stand, that Dr. Ngozo Rabueze remains the surrogate of Mazi Simon Ekpa. He has never changed his mind.
Okay.
And then I can't remember, say, despite every gara way all these criminals they do, they have never said anything to counter the truth that Dr. Ngozo Rabueze is the surrogate of Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. They never condemn him. They never say a lie for once.
Which is true.
So if they know this truth, why did they go and they form their own parallel or no nothing like criminal gang?
Okay, my brother, continue. Let's hear from you. The floor is yours.
Okay, my brother. Iko umundam dinagenti osikanji webia eziri mozi kanzi.
Okay.